begin with our today's studies. All properly waked up now? किसी को नींद तो नहीं आ रही? Is anyone feeling lazy here? No. Very good. So class, today is 25th September 2020 and the day is Friday. So Friday है, कल क्या है? Saturday no class, Sunday भी no class, है ना? But I have a small work for you all today, okay? Which I will tell you at the end of this video. Clear? So today we are going to begin our today's classes with a conversation class. As you all know, Friday we have our conversation class and our today's topic of conversation is seasons. So can anyone tell me what is season? Season किसको कहते हैं? कोई भी एक particular weather जो कुछ महीनों तक रुकता है, that is called season. See, when we talk about weather, that change every day. आज धूप है तो कल बारिश है. But season is when a climatic condition, जो हमारे बाहर का climate होता है, वो 2-3 महीनों के लिए continuously वही रहता है. That is called season. What we call that? Season. And I know you all know about different seasons like summer. Summer season में क्या करते हैं हम? We wear cotton clothes, हम juice पीते हैं ठंडा, then we have cold drinks, ice creams, then we prefer taking splash pool bath, हम pool में भी bath करते हैं, we enjoy going to beaches, isn't it? Then comes rainy season. How we enjoy rainy season? By eating yummy pakoras, making boats. जब बारिश आती है water accumulate हो जाता है, हम उसमें अपनी paper boat throw करते हैं. Then we go to school using umbrella, raincoat, है ना? We all enjoy this. Again rainy season. Then there is a season we call is autumn. Autumn क्या होता है बेटा? After rainy season, जब winter season थोड़ा सा पहले, winter season के पहले और rainy season के बाद we see an autumn season which is also called a fall season. इसमें क्या होता है, जो trees के ऊपर पुरानी shed out leaves होती हैं, जो सूख गई होती है dried leaves, वो क्या होता है, पत्ते टूट के गिर जाते हैं. Why? So that new leaves, new flowers can come out. Then we have winter season. Winters तो you all know, सर्दी होती है, we enjoy taking hot food, soups, noodles, ये सब हमें अच्छा लगता है. And then comes the spring season. Clear? So basically I have told you in a general form. Now the correct order of season is, the first season we will talk about today is spring season. Which is the first season? Spring season. So class, you all know the 12 months of the year. Let us have a quick revision. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. है ना, ये हमारे 12 months होते हैं ईयर के. So all these 6 seasons: spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, winter. So there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not 6. 5 seasons are divided in these 12 months. हमारे पास कितने months होते हैं एक ईयर में? We have 12 months, है ना? And we have 5 seasons in a year. हमारे पास seasons कितने हैं? 5. तो जो ये 12 months हैं, they are divided in these 5 seasons. How? Let us see that. So the first season we are going to discuss is spring season. अब spring season कब start होता है? In the month of February and it goes up to March. See, if you remember, we celebrate Basant Panchami. हम celebrate करते हैं ना? On the day we do सरस्वती माँ की पूजा, that Basant Panchami. So on that day, Panchami, वो 5th day होता है हमारे spring season का. उससे 4 days पहले ही spring season start हो जाता है and we call this spring season in Hindi Basant. क्या होता है? The new beautiful flowers come out. बहुत beautiful flowers आ जाते हैं और trees के ऊपर green leaves आ जाती हैं, जो पुरानी leaves होती थी, जो वो autumn season में गिर गई थी, उनकी जगह new leaves आ जाती हैं. So it's a pretty wonderful season of colors. A lot of vibrant colors can be seen. आप जब भी spring season time में किसी भी पार्क में विजिट करेंगे, यू विल फाइंड लॉट ऑफ कलर्स, क्योंकि उस टाइम कलरफुल फ्लावर्स ब्लॉसम कर रहे होते हैं. देन यू कैन सी ग्रीन लीव्स, बिल्कुल फ्रेश. द फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ द फ्लावर विल, यू कैन what you can say, you can just smell, you can smell the fragrance of the flower there. So this is called spring season, where everything is beautiful around you. Now उस टाइम ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है, ना ठंड होती है, and we enjoy that season. Okay, now moving to the next we have is summer season. See, ये season जो हमारा spring है, it goes till March month तक जाता है. Then summer season starts in April. So April, May and June, April to June, यानी कि April, May and June, these 3 months we have the summer season. हमारे पास इन 3 महीने कौन सा सीजन रहता है? समर. बहुत गर्मी होती है, you don't prefer going out anywhere, आपको बहुत गर्मी लगती है. We prefer sitting in air conditioned room, we prefer taking cold drinks like juices, fruits like watermelon, muskmelon, हम melons खाते हैं. Why? To keep ourselves cool, अपने आप को ठंडा रखने के लिए, because it is lot of heat outside. बाहर का जो weather है वो बहुत hot होता है, और उससे अपने आप को बचाने के लिए we prefer to sit inside our home, isn't it? So that is called summer season. In summer season we wear cotton clothes, बहुत light clothes पहनना पसंद करते हैं. We don't prefer wearing woolens. Woolens पहनता है कोई summer में? No. गरम खाना खाने का मन करता है? No. We just like to take water, juices. वही सब चीजें हमें अच्छी लगती हैं. So that is summer season. Next, after summer comes monsoon season. So monsoon season is also called rainy season, or you can say rainy season is also called monsoon season. So one of my favorite season when we can enjoy showers. बाहर आप अपनी पेपर बोट रो कर सकते हो. You enjoy eating different food items like pakoras, soups, lot of things we enjoy at that time. We can see peacock dancing, कितना pretty लगता है. So monsoon season, when it begins in July. जून तक तो पूरी समर होती है. Then when the July month begins, जब जुलाई मंथ स्टार्ट होता है, the monsoon seasons begin. उस टाइम पे बिगिन होता है, और वो कब तक जाता है? मिड ऑफ सितंबर. सितंबर, सी नाउ द सितंबर लास्ट इज गोइंग ऑन. सितंबर मंथ का बिल्कुल लास्ट वीक है. इट्स अबाउट टू बी द लास्ट वीक. अभी तो रेनी सीजन नहीं है. मिड सितंबर तक रेनी सीजन है. मिड सितंबर मतलब हाफ ऑफ या सितंबर मंथ तक रेनी सीजन फॉलो होता है. तब तक बारिश आती है, नहीं आती है, बट दैट पर्टिकुलर मंथ, that is from July to mid-September, these particular months, July, August and mid-September, they are referred as rainy season, जिसको हम कहते हैं कि बारिश का मौसम है, और आप कह सकते हो कि सावन का मौसम, सावन चल रहा है. So these are called, this is referred as rainy season. Clear? Then comes autumn. मैंने आपको अभी बताया था autumn season. What is autumn? When the trees shed their leaves. जो flowers हैं, जो dried flowers हैं, वो गिर जाते हैं. trees के ऊपर जो सूखे पत्ते हैं, the dry leaves they shed out, नीचे टूट के गिर जाती हैं. थोड़ा सा विंडी सा माहौल होता है, विंड चलती है जिसकी वजह से वो टूट के गिरते हैं. When this begins mid September. देखो जो mid September यहाँ पे था मॉनसून, उसका जो बचा हुआ सितंबर है, that is end September. From end September to November. End September से नवंबर का जो मंथ होता है, हमें गर्मी नहीं लगती, but we don't feel cold also. ठीक है, ऐसा होता है कि कभी हमें फैन चलाने का मन करता है, कभी हमें बेडशीट ओढ़ने का मन करता है, टॉप कवर लेने का मन करता है. So this is basically a season where we are not able to decide whether it is hot or it is not hot. It is a sort of semi-pleasant season, जब हम इवनिंग में बहुत प्लेजेंट हो जाता है, बट डेज आर हॉट. क्लियर? दैट इज रेफर्ड एज ऑटम सीजन. कौन सा सीजन होता है? ऑटम. एंड लास्ट कम्स द विंटर सीजन, जब बहुत ठंड होती है. एंड व्हेन दीज इन विच मंथ वी हैव दिस विंटर सीजन? इन दिसंबर एंड जनवरी. सो आपने देखा दिसंबर और जनवरी में वी प्रेफर वेयरिंग वुलन क्लोथ्स. We prefer eating hot meals like hot chocolate, then soup, then soupy noodles, yummy garam garam food जो mama cook करती हैं. So we all take hot things to keep ourselves warm. हम woolens भी पहनते हैं, है ना? So we all do all these activities in winter season. And winter season is observed during the month of December to January. Again after January comes February. तो February में कौन सा season fall हो जाता है? Spring season. So this is how the whole year is divided into different seasons. Is that clear? So now tell me, which are the different seasons that we see in one year? Those are, first is spring season. The first one is spring season. Then we have summer season. Then monsoon season, or you can say rainy season. Then we have autumn season. Autumn नहीं बोलते, autumn. Just call it autumn season. And lastly we have winter season. Is that clear to all? Okay. Now I am going to show you a small clip, a small video, and just watch it carefully. You will understand these seasons more carefully, more easily. Okay.
Mom, it is so cold here in Manali. See, Mom, it is snowing here. I will make my snowman.
Yes, Jasmine, it is winter season. It starts from November and continue till the end of February. Nights are longer than the days. The northern mountains and the northern plains are extremely cold, but the coastal areas enjoy pleasant weather. Jasmine, you know, when a particular weather in an area continues to prevail for 2 to 3 months, it is called a season. Seasons differ from place to place. Jasmine, in India, there are 3 main seasons: summer, monsoon and winter. The 2 short seasons are spring and autumn. You have already experienced winters here in Manali. Let us know about summers. It begins in the middle of March and lasts till June in India. The hottest months of the year are May and June. Almost every part of India experiences hot and dry weather except the northern mountains. The days are longer than the nights. A hot, dry wind called the Lu blows over the plains. The southern part of India is less hot as it is surrounded by the seas. Cool breeze blowing from the sea keeps the area cool. The humidity in the air increases just before the rains. The other season in India is monsoon or rainy season. It starts from June and continues till September. In some parts, it begins in July. Winds blowing from the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea towards the land are called monsoon winds. These winds cause rainfall in our country. Farming largely depends on monsoon rains. Distribution of rain throughout the country is uneven. The Himalayan region and the coastal regions receive heavy rainfall. Gujarat and Rajasthan receive less rainfall compared to the other parts. Mawsynram in the Khasi hills of Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in India. Parts of the northern plains and the southern plateau receive heavy rainfall. The Coromandel coast receives rain in November and December. Dry regions like the Thar desert and the run of Kutch receive little rainfall. Now let us explore the other 2 seasons, spring and autumn, known as short seasons. The spring season is the most pleasant season. It comes just after winter. Plants bear new leaves and flowers. Spring season falls between mid-February to mid-April.
I like spring the most as this is neither too hot nor too cold.
Autumn arrives after the monsoon season. Autumn season falls in the months of September and October. Autumn is the time for harvesting crops. Hence, we see the seasons changing throughout the year and they follow the same pattern.
Thanks, Mom. Now I know about the different seasons.
So class, I hope you have understood about the seasons that we see in a year. So different seasons that comes in one year is summer season. Say with me. Sorry, the first one is spring season. Then we have summer season. Then we have rainy season, or you can say monsoon season. Then comes autumn season, and last comes the winter season. Clear? So I told you that there will be a small activity work given to you. So the work which I would like to assign you is, I will be sharing a small sheet after this video, or at the end of this video. What you have to do, you have to just see and match the things with the seasons there. Clear? आपको क्या करना है? आपको उस शीट के अंदर एक तरफ seasons की पिक्चर है और एक तरफ activities की पिक्चर है. So what you are going to do? You are going to match season with the activity. Is that clear to all? Okay. So this is your today's work for conversation class. Now you can watch this video repeatedly after completing your today's classes, so that you are thorough with the seasons and the months in which these seasons fall. Okay? Bye and get ready for the next class.